11 hidden car features that could save you thousands. Did you know that 9 out of 10 drivers have hidden features in their cars they've never even used? Some of these secret functions aren't just cool party tricks, they can save you thousands of dollars in repair bills, extend your car's lifespan, and even protect your safety on the road. The crazy part? Most people drive their cars for years without ever knowing these features exist. That's why today we're breaking down the 11 most viral hidden car features in 2025, from secret buttons and clever hacks to life-saving safety tech that could literally keep you out of the hospital. Before we dive in, don't forget to click that subscribe button for best cars reviews and buying tips, your ultimate source for car secrets, smart hacks, and buying guides you won't find anywhere else. Number 1. The recirculation button. That small button on your dashboard showing a car with a circular arrow isn't just decorative, it's your built-in air quality shield. When activated, it blocks outside pollution, exhaust fumes, and allergens from entering your cabin, while boosting AC efficiency by up to 20%. By reducing the amount of dirt and debris hitting your cabin air filter, this feature can save you from replacing it too often. Considering a clogged filter can damage your HVAC system and lead to $800 to $1,200 in repair bills, pressing this button regularly is a no-brainer. Number 2. The key fob brain hack. Lost in a giant parking lot, clicking your key fob desperately? Here's a trick. Press it against your head. The water in your brain actually boosts the fob's signal, extending its range from about 30 feet to over 80. Most fobs also have a hidden mechanical key tucked inside, giving you backup access if the battery dies. If you've ever had to call a locksmith, you know it can cost $200 to $400 just to get back into your own car. Knowing this hack saves money, time, and embarrassment. Number 3. Color-coded engine components. Ever notice some parts under your hood are bright yellow or blue? That's not just style, it's a guide. Automakers color-code the parts you can safely top off yourself, like oil, coolant, and washer fluid. Ignore this, and you could pour fluid in the wrong reservoir, leading to a disaster. For example, putting washer fluid into your brake system can mean a complete brake failure, costing upwards of $2,500 to $3,500 in repairs. Learn the color codes, and you'll save hundreds while avoiding catastrophic mistakes. Number 4. The fuel cap holder. That tiny hook or notch inside your fuel door is designed to hold your gas cap while you fill up. Ignore it, and letting your cap dangle or leaving it on the roof can cause scratches or dirt to enter your fuel system. Dirt in your tank often leads to clogged injectors, and replacing injectors can easily cost $2,800 to $3,200. Using this free, built-in holder saves you from one of the most expensive repair traps. Number 5. The emergency shift lock release. What if your battery dies in traffic and your car won't shift out of park? Most drivers panic and wait hours for a tow, but there's a hidden shift lock release near your gear lever. Pop off the small cover, press the button, and you can move your car into neutral without power. This simple move could save you a $150 to $300 tow bill, not to mention the stress of being stuck in a dangerous spot. Number 6. Road condition indicators. That snowflake icon on your dash isn't a decoration. It's warning you of icy conditions. With winter-related crashes causing over 150,000 accidents a year in the US, this feature could literally save your life. Some advanced cars even share road condition data with nearby vehicles. Ignoring these warnings and skidding into an accident could cost you thousands in collision repairs, averaging $4,000 to $7,000. Paying attention to this tiny dashboard alert can prevent one of the costliest repair bills of all. Number 7. The anti-glare rearview mirror. That little tab at the bottom of your mirror is more powerful than you think. Flip it, and the angle changes to block blinding headlights from drivers behind you. Ignoring glare can lead to accidents, and the average rear-end collision repair runs between $3,500 to $5,000. Newer cars even have auto-dimming electrochromic mirrors that darken automatically. This underrated feature isn't just about comfort, it's about avoiding accidents and huge bills. Number hidden storage compartments. From Jeep to Volkswagen, many cars hide secret compartments for valuables. Jeep Grand Cherokees have hidden floor storage, VW Golfs tuck compartments under seats, and some Toyotas even hide cool boxes in the dash. Not using these means valuables are left visible, inviting theft. A smashed window costs $300 to $500, and replacing a stolen item can add much more. Exploring your car's hidden spots protects your wallet in ways you never expected. Number 9. Remote window controls. Did you know you can roll your windows down remotely? On many cars, pressing and holding unlock on your fob lowers the windows to vent heat before you get in. Considering interior heat can climb past 160 degrees Fahrenheit in minutes, this trick isn't just comfort. It prevents heat damage to your dashboard and electronics. Replacing a warped dash or fried wiring can cost $1,200 to $2,500. Vent your car before entry, and you avoid heat-related repair nightmares. Number 10. Easy Fill Tire Alert. Topping off tires is usually guesswork, but some Nissans, Jeeps, and GMCs have a built-in alert that honks when you hit the right PSI. Overinflated or underinflated tires don't just waste gas, they cause premature tire wear, which costs $600 to $1,200 for a set. Worse, a blowout could cause suspension damage or an accident, adding thousands. This simple feature ensures your tires are perfectly filled every time, keeping your car safe and saving money. 11. Drowsiness detection systems. If you've ever seen a coffee cup icon flash on your dashboard, it's not a joke. It's your car warning you to take a break. Modern systems monitor your face or driving patterns for fatigue. Drowsy driving causes about 100,000 crashes and $12.5 billion in damages annually in the US. Ignoring these warnings could leave you with medical bills and repairs averaging $5,000 to $15,000 after an accident. This feature may be one of the most valuable safety nets hidden in plain sight. And there you have it, the 11 most powerful hidden car features in 2025 that most drivers don't know about, but absolutely should. From pollution shields to night vision, these tricks can save you money, protect your car, and even save your life. Which one of these features surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your car secrets too. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Best Cars Reviews and Buying Tips for more insider car hacks, buying guides, and the truth about what your car can really do. Remember, being a smart driver isn't just about driving safely. It's about knowing the hidden features your car already has. Until next time, drive safe and stay smart.